Hello and welcome to the much requested Cooking with Aeolus. Today I'm making a ham and cheese sandwich, which includes mustard, mayo, ham, and cheese. Alright, let's get started. So first we'll place the mayo, which there isn't much left of. Next, we'll put down the mustard. Remember, the mustard always needs to be shaken. Now, we'll grab the cheese, and don't forget to take 2 of them. Last but not least, we'll put down the ham. Don't forget to take 2 again. Now it's done. Good job. Okay. I'm waiting for things to finish rendering and stuff, so I figured I'd do a taste test. So here we go. Here's the delicious ham and cheese sandwich. Looks incredible. I like to have my ham and cheese sandwiches with the side of hot sauce. And I like to wash it down with a sparkling ice. Not sponsored, but they should definitely sponsor me. So here we go. That's really